Hey, what's up? Sammy here. This is the ACGAM indoor treadmill. It's fast, it's safe, and of course, it's versatile.
Yes, you can!
This is definitely not one of those cheap treadmills that you wouldn't even want to sit your feet on. So why not have a cup of coffee and watch where I tell you a thing or two about it. But before we officially get into the review, you may wonder, why on earth would we need an indoor treadmill? Outdoor running is already good enough. Well, there's still many good reasons for you to get a treadmill, whether for the nasty weather outside or current social distancing regulations, or merely like me, afraid of the gym that you've got a membership for that absconds with your hard-earned money. You can always get a good budget treadmill to run or walk at home or free. The Exergym indoor treadmill is certainly one of those most popular treadmills in the budget market and tops my list due to the impressive power and extra features not seen on many of its peers. When it comes to the design, normally this range isn't going to offer you much in terms of aesthetics, but that's not the case with the Exergym treadmill. This thing not only focuses on delivering something stable and functional, but also looks great. There is a crystal clear LED panel in the front to display time, speed, mileage, and calories alternatively. A really well polished steel upright for you to place your phone or protect you when in high speed. We'll get to that in a second. There are 2 wheels on the frame to let you move it any way you want. What's more, there are 8 cushions below the deck that help minimize stress on joints by absorbing shock. The belt of this treadmill is high density and high-tech running belt and looks really well made. The total weight of the Exergym is 31.2 kilograms. It's heavy, but that also means it can cope with a most extreme load of 242 pounds. The overall design feels very solid and elegant from my view. What do you think about it? The Exergym comes 100% pre-assembled. That means you don't have to deal with those annoying setups like we've seen on many other treadmills. Just put the treadmill to the area you want to work on and connect the power, lift the upright up, and lock with the 2 knobs. Put the safety switch on the corresponding position, press the remote control, and there you go. Of course, if you just want to take a walk and don't need the speed faster than 6 km per hour, then just don't leave the treadmill riser. The Exergym features a decent 2 horsepower motor that powers speeds of up to 7.5 miles per hour. That's 12 km per hour, which makes it great for walking or light jogging. The motor has a relatively low noise level. Even when you adjust to the max speed, it maintains around 60 decibels, good for not disturbing someone. The belt isn't particularly big at 70 inch by 47.2 inch, but it does the job of accommodating most people pretty comfortably. Besides, this non-slip running belt is a high-tech one that features 5 layers to provide the best support. I do feel soft and comfortable when walking or jogging on it. Plus the cushions I mentioned before, we really don't need to worry about the knees or joints hurting. What you need is to enjoy running. Another feature I really like is the handrail. Like I said in your previous video of the Wherever You Want treadmill, one of the best ways to pass workout time is do something to distract your attention. We can see there is a tray on the handrail. You can put a phone or tablet here to watch some videos or read some books. Or if this is enough and you would like to work on a laptop, then I suggest you get an Exergym standing desk from Gearbuying. They are the best combination for home working. One other thing that I really love about the treadmill is, of course, the safety. It comes with a safety key for you to clip to yourself that will stop the treadmill if it's pulled out, such as if you were to sleep. Alright, that's the video. I guess I got everything covered about this Exergym treadmill. It has a really good shock absorbing deck and running belt to provide you an effective and safe cushion for your knees and muscles for the superior run experience. It has 2 modes. You can always fold or unfold the riser to walk slowly or run faster. It will satisfy you. It's easy and safe to use. You can easily control it through the controller. And of course, the price is unbeatable. I made a comparison chart with other treadmills. You can see with almost the same specs, the Exergym is a much better price. So, what are you waiting for? If you want one quality treadmill that's functional and fun at the same time without breaking your bank, this one is for you. For more, you can check out the link in the description or on the screen now. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click right here to subscribe. I'm Sammy. See you in the next one.
okay?